ask the people if you just miss the bus. Okay. In the red boxes as the steps that we need to make the improvement, and Nadav will show you. After you realize that you miss the bus, you sit and wait. Okay. The next step, you start using your senses. You look and using your ears. And maybe you go forward and lean. Maybe it's a truck, or maybe it's another lane. Okay? And now we have two options. If it's your bus, you get on the bus. If it's not your bus, you become disappointed again, and come back and sit, and do it all over again. Okay? It's your bus. You get into the bus, and now it's pay time. We have three options of pay. The first thing is cash, of course. The second thing is multiple tickets. You have the bus driver have to pierce their ticket, and the other option is free pass. Okay. After you pay your tickets, this is the most important step in the process. You look for the empty spot. If you are a guy, you look for the most attractive lady in the bus. You hope there is a few spots next to it. And of course, after a few stops, you get to your station and get off the bus. Okay, the stakeholders. The first, of course, are the passenger, looking for cheap tickets, low-cost transportation. They want accessibles. They're looking for a lot of bus stops near the location. Some of the people care about air pollution and use the alternative. And of course, pleasant and comfortable ride. As to the bus operator company, the first thing they care for the profit, the revenue, and they want to create a better alternative for the private vehicles and train. As to the bus driver, he cares only to keep his job and meeting his scheduled objective. And to the Ministry of Infrastructure, reducing traffic and road accidents. The performance measure, the criteria, the waiting time. Most of the things are time, of course. The waiting time of arrival, okay, from the point A to B. Predictable if you know in ahead when our bus is supposed to come. Of course, safety of the ride and convenience of the riding. As to the bus operator, the amount of passenger in the bus, and if he supply good service. And to the bus driver, of course, his concentration because he's riding on the road. So, to the next slide. What do you want to say?
Okay, so the proposed improvement, first of all, we suggest to place a ticket machine in every bus station, just like you have in a train, just like you have in a parking machine. So while waiting, the passenger will be able to already buy the ticket, and when you go to the bus, you just give it to the bus driver and go on. This will save, it will make the time of arrival shorter because the boarding time to the bus will be shorter. And more important, it will make the ride safer, since the bus driver won't need to deal with change and the ticket, and he will just concentrate on the ride. The next thing, we call it a time of arrival application. It will be implemented in iPhone or in the company's website. It will basically notify you about traffic if the bus is late, and so you'll know not to go out earlier from home or from work. You'll know like 5 minutes before the bus arrives at the station. So it will shorten the waiting time, and it will make the time of arrival predictable. You know where is the bus in every moment. Another thing, we call it missed bus. It will basically replace the coming to the bus station and asking the person, did I miss the number 17? You will be able just to send an SMS message. You write the station you're waiting in and the number you're waiting for, and it will tell you if you missed your bus. It's important for waiting time, since if you know your bus, like my bus is coming every 40 minutes, and if I know I missed it, I'll go on the train, I'll take another transportation. Another thing, as you know, soldiers are the main clients of the public transportation. So we suggest to board soldiers from the back door using or the ticket machine or using a soldier's card identifier, just like in the train, that you can pass and just go on the bus. It will also show in the time of arrival to destination, since the boarding time of the bus will be shorter. And the last thing, we called it the rush hour application. It's more useful for the older people. You
כמו
be able to
באלבמה
know in
בשנות
advance if the
ה-60.
bus is full and no seats are available, and you'll be able to decide whether or not you want to wait to this bus, take another transportation, or wait to the next bus if you want to sit. A few words about monitoring the process. We suggest to actually look at the consequence, look at if there's an increase in the passengers amount, if there is an increase in the revenue of the company. Another thing is to have a constant monitoring on the application, on the website. The company could know if the people are satisfied with this, because they know how many people are actually using it. Another thing is actually conducting a street service, just asking the people if they are happy with the new service, if they're satisfied, to make their riding experience better. And the last thing is questioning the bus driver, which is very important in this process. Those suggestions are made for the most important. I think it's the most important problem today. The bus driver is dealing with giving change, giving tickets, passing round tickets, and make the ride less safe. So to ask him about how is the experience from the drive now, if he's more satisfied with this. A few points for discussion. I want to ask you if the improvements we suggested are implemented, will it make you take the bus more often? And if yes, which one you think is the most helpful, most useful for you? Anyone? Not everyone?
The train, implement on the train.
Yes.
As a soldier, I won't take it more often because it's free. So let's just say where the people who use the most this kind of transportation. But I think what I would like to
Can you
have,
raise your voice?
yeah, sorry. What I would like to have really to see on is like a board on the bus station, electronic board indicating in how long the bus is going to arrive.
This is the next
Yeah.
question. If you think this process can be improved even further.
I think if you use a smartphone such as iPhone, the way that you suggested, you can use the location service that iPhone can first, and you can know exactly where the person is. And when you send the SMS, the system can automatically know where you are and send you the correct. You don't have to tell the system that I will speak let's say Herzl at number.
You tell which bus station you're in, and you know where is the bus. You just know.
If you have the location system,
But there are buses that comes every 5 minutes and also a different direction. And if the bus station will be like numbered, and you can say I'm in bus station number 1 and no need an address, then I think it will be.
the location system.
You have a GPS, you don't need to say anything.
No, but you don't know which direction you'd like to go. There's
By using GPS,
שני הצדדים של הרחוב.
you'll be you know where is the bus. But because there are many buses, there are buses that come like every 5 minutes. So this is
I have another application for you. You're looking at the point of view of the person who rides the bus, but also the bus company, especially if there are going to be changes in the capacity. You can use the same application to tell when the person takes the bus and which stops, which routes, and then optimize how many
to
buses.
skip bus stops?
How many buses you have to have on a route, because one of the most annoying things you have is when you wait a long time and then 2 buses come. That's the most annoying thing. So you have to use that information to optimize the routes and other things.
Payment. You can use the software also for payment. You can pay within the software instead of paying.
It's mentioned.
what do you mean?
If you can make the payment.
Like from a credit card, no need with a cash. Yeah, sounds So we meant for the ticket machine, just like in the train, to be one that you can pay in any way. Just like money. Any way it's comfortable for you.
I think it's still early to use technology to improve the bus process. Because most of the still kids are using the buses, elders, so it would be maybe for us, we are technical people, it's very simple for us to just turn an application and click a number and then you know everything. But when it comes to kids,
The kids know better than you.
But this is basically this is the way to implement it to
No,
all
I'm
those
just
people.
somebody will say that, although I still believe in it, but at least I live nearby a big bus station and see how many elders there, and they hardly can move, so I don't see that they have their mobile.
Okay, maybe
Anyway,
they
I'm just
are
challenging.
10% of the market, and they
יאללה,
also have
שירדו
a
מהם.
pension card. They have a free life. Don't care.
Thank you.
Thank you much. There is one more presentation now, and then we'll take 15 minutes break. This pause.
יש את זה שלו מהשיעור הראשון כבר ביוטיוב, אם אתה רוצה נשאר לך את ה...
זה כבר כל התואר שלי מלא יוטיוב.
כן, הוא סטוקר שלך, עם התיקייה שנקראת רועי.